My name is Katie Cueva. I'm an associate professor at the University of Alaska Fairbanks, and I'm also affiliated faculty at the University of Alaska Anchorage and the Johns Hopkins Center for Indigenous Health. And I was part of a winning team of ExploraVision in 1996 and in 1997, so a little while ago. And we had two projects, and I don't remember which year was which, but one of them was Oracle, Optical Revolution and Contact Lens Enhancement, and one was GIBO, Genetically Enhanced Bioluminescent Organisms. Well, I'm a social scientist now, and I think a lot of the skills that I used in ExploraVision are very translatable. You know, the idea of finding a project, something that you're interested in, and pursuing it and seeing where it takes you, and writing research papers, making stories, you know, putting things together in a compelling way. I do a lot of digital storytelling in my work now as a professor, and working with communities, and then working with teams is something that I did during ExploraVision, and I still do an awful lot of now, all of that collaboration, so I think they're fairly closely related. I think maybe having a set goal, you know, having something that was facilitated so that all of those skills, maybe if you had told me just to sit down and do that on my own, I probably would not. But knowing that there was something at the other end, there was a contest that we might win, we might get a trip to DC. I'm from Alaska, so that was a big deal at the time and still is. I think just in having it validated, you know, showing up with a community of peers and being recognized for the efforts. Probably the creativity. I remember making videos and experimenting with dry ice and coming up with storylines and inviting a toddler to dress up as a genetically enhanced bioluminescent organism and finding blacklight to film them under. I think another thing that maybe has stuck with me that was really exciting at the time too is we got to meet our senators and our representatives here in DC, and so being able to have that personal connection, and we got taken out to lunch a couple of times by Senator Ted Stevens, so that was really exciting. Just know that the things that you're doing now are things that you'll be doing your entire life. So it can be such a blast, and I hope that you continue to think of new ideas and see where those ideas take you.